You wanna start fresh, or you wanna change up your feed and add a little more style. Hopefully you're not just the girlfriend that got their boyfriend's phone and you wanna delete all their photos and delete everything on it in general. Regardless, I'll show you how to delete all of your Instagram photos at once.
Okay.
All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee, because even though you're a vengeful person, you're still awesome. And second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below and also in the first comment. Just like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. This is a no BS tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first way to actually delete all your photos is to delete them manually, especially if they're not that many, right? I have too many posts, 455, so to delete them manually, just click the three dots and click delete. If you want to archive them, you can later on just click the three dashes, click archive and bring them back to life from here. But if you delete it, they're gone, boom, bam, they're not coming back. So if there are 20, it will take you like 5 seconds to delete all of them. But if you want to delete them in one go, you're just a vengeful person, you have to take 500 photos, or you want to delete all your photos. The way to do that is to actually go on the App Store, click search and type in cleaner Instagram. It works for Android, for an iOS, it's the same thing, you just type in clean. There's a bunch of apps that you can use. I don't want to show you just one app. All of them work the same. You basically download them. As you can see, delete multiple posts at once. I'm not sponsored, I'm not going to promote just one app. All of them work the same way, and you just log in, choose all your photos. As you can see in the picture here, I usually want to delete 20 items. You just mark them, delete them. Something very important that you should do after you actually use this app is to change your password, because your credential will still be there even if you log out, and you don't want someone else to be liking your stuff on your behalf or liking other people's stuff. So this is the way to do it. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. All I want from you is to comment your Instagram username down below, and the shout out winner on this episode is by the end of this video, check this video out, or this video out, or this video out, or this video out now.